What's up, everyone? This is Ryan. Today I'm going to be talking about the Stihl GG26 mini chainsaw. Now, I hope some of the things we used again this weekend. Because it did get used this weekend because ever since this thing just was sitting in, you can see in the chains, it's starting to get loose a little bit because I try and make sure I try to get nice and tight a little bit because you know how inspected this thing is. Because I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much inspected this thing being used almost quite a bit because, well, how can I describe this a little bit? This thing got used almost like quite a bit because you can see this one you had to store it indoors because unfortunately because you can't just leave it outside because unfortunately because you can see how much expected this thing is being. And I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing is being. Do I use it to get this thing? Yes. I mean use it for like small yards and then you can see how much expected this thing is because well obviously because you can see how much expected this thing is get used almost quite a bit. It's got this way. You can't push it down like this much because it would see we'll start the motor a little bit because it didn't. I mean, this is the first time you cut some trees down and cut some wood with. Because in resident, which I don't think it looks recommended, but it did the job though. Which I you can see exactly how much very expected this thing is like because I do like this machine a lot because you can see how much expected this thing, and I hope at some point this thing will get used again this weekend again. Which and you can see how much expected this change. It looks very nice.